In this lesson, you will learn 5 quite interesting idioms, and if you use these, you will also sound more like a native. But haven't yet subscribed to Excellent English, guys? Please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can also become better in English bit by bit. Now, so the first one is actions speak louder than the word. Actions speak louder than the word. So it means सिर्फ बात बनाने से कुछ नहीं होता है, काम भी करना पड़ेगा. Action speak louder than the word. So let's see an example here to make it even more clear. The government promised to solve the problem of unemployment. I hope that they remember. Action speak louder than the word. तो गवर्नमेंट ने प्रॉमिस किया है कि वो लोग अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हटाने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ काम करेंगे. तो मैं आशा करता हूँ कि वो लोग को उन लोग को याद रहेगा कि एक्शन स्पीक लाउडर देन द वर्ड. नाउ मूविंग ऑन, नेक्स्ट वन, बटरफ्लाई इन द स्टमक. बटरफ्लाई इन द स्टमक, इट मीन्स टू बिकम रियली नर्वस. ओके, बहुत नर्वस हो जाना, बहुत नर्वस हो जाना. एग्जाम्पल, butterfly in the stomach kept him away from participating in the speech competition. The butterfly in his stomach kept him away from participating in the speech competition. That means कि butterfly in the stomach phrase, ये अपना idiom, इसकी वजह से उन्होंने participate नहीं किया क्योंकि काफ़ी वो nervous है speech competition के लेकर के. Okay, so butterfly in the stomach. Now moving on, next one is to break the ice. To break the ice, that means चुप्पी तोड़ना, शांति तोड़ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल that means like अगर आप दो व्यक्ति साथ में बैठे हुए हैं और काफ़ी देर से कुछ किसी ने बोला नहीं, तो अब आप जिस चीज़ को बोलिएगा that will be ice breaker. Okay, so let's an example to make it even more clear. He initiated the conversation to break the ice. He initiated the conversation to break the ice. That means उसने बात को शुरुआत किया चुप्पी तोड़ने के लिए. Okay, now moving on. Fourth one is you can't judge a book by its cover. You can't judge a book by its cover. I think it's quite clear, isn't it? अगर अभी भी नहीं तो इसका मतलब है कि हम लोगों को किसी किताब को उसके कवर से जज नहीं करना चाहिए, या फिर किसी इंसान को उसके अपीयरेंस से जज नहीं करना चाहिए. Now, example, even though he might look stupid, but he is quite an intelligent man. Even though he might look stupid, but he is quite an intelligent man. हालांकि भले वो बेवकूफ़ दिखे, फिर भी वो काफ़ी इंटेलिजेंट व्यक्ति है. Right? Now, finally, last but not the least, number 5 is to catch red-handed. To catch red-handed. That means रंगे हाथों पकड़ लेना किसी को. Okay? So example, that is the thief was caught red-handed in the mobile shop. The thief was caught red-handed in the mobile shop. That means चोर रंगे हाथों पकड़ा गया फ़ोन के दुकान पे. Right. And guys, if you're wondering the spelling and all these idioms, so I have listed all this down in the description box. Do check it out. And meantime, guys, have found this video to be helpful. Guys, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and haven't shared this video to anyone. Guys, please share this video to your friends, family, so that all of us can become better in English bit by bit. And now, guys, haven't yet subscribed, so please subscribe and press the little bell icon so that you can also become better in English. And till then, guys, take care. Cheers.